Okay, so here we have our fry system set up. It's a 500-gallon tank with 425 gallons in it. Fire's starting to get a little more brave. Coming to the top, looking for food. In this tank, I have a T at the bottom. Goes to the outlet on the tank. One pipe comes up, which allows water, kind of acts as a skimmer. And then on the bottom pipe, which you can barely see because of the green, is a pipe with 1/4-inch holes drilled in it, and it is wrapped with fiberglass screening and zip ties so the fries don't get sucked up. That comes out the bottom of the tank. It's 2-inch line, 2-inch ball valve. It goes over into another 55-gallon tank. Gives me barrel, and that is my swirl tank. Water comes in, swirls, the heavy debris will settle, and that goes over to another drum, which instead of using sand and gravel, I decided on floor buffing pads. There's 4 pads stacked on top of each other. I'll show a still picture along with this post of how that's set up with a pump in the bottom. That goes up over a valve to regulate the flow into the K1 barrel. Here I have just a brute garbage can. And got the K1 media just now. I've used some from my original pond where the koi came from to kind of seed the K1. It's just now becoming neutral buoyant. Might need a bigger air stone, but then that goes through another 2-inch pipe, which then in turn goes down into the pond. Don't have heavy current, but I have lots of air, and I tried to cut the pipe just about even with the surface of the water, so I don't have a lot of water movement, but I have a lot of aeration. I want to keep the tanks semi-still because the fry are pretty young still. So there you have it. That's my setup. I'll add some stills in with this post.